Understanding the difference between mass and weight is important for comprehending how objects behave in different environments. While these terms are often used interchangeably in everyday conversation, they have distinct meanings in physics. Mass refers to the amount of matter in an object. It is an intrinsic property and remains constant regardless of an object's location. Mass is typically measured in pounds or ounces. For example, if you have a bag of apples with a mass of 5 pounds, this mass will remain the same whether the bag is on Earth, the Moon, or in outer space. To illustrate mass further, imagine you have two identical bags of sugar, each with a mass of 1 pound. No matter where these bags are placed, whether on Earth, the Moon, or even aboard a spacecraft, their masses will always be 1 pound each. This consistency demonstrates that mass is an inherent property of matter and does not change with location or external factors. We speak about the weight now. Weight, on the other hand, is the gravitational force exerted on an object due to the gravitational pull of a celestial body, such as Earth. Weight is a force and is measured in pounds or ounces. It depends on both the mass of the object and the strength of the gravitational field it's in. For instance, consider a person with a mass of 150 pounds standing on Earth. The weight of this person is the gravitational force exerted on them due to Earth's gravity. If the same person were to stand on the Moon, where the gravitational pull is weaker than that on Earth, their weight would be different. Despite this change in weight, the person's mass remains constant at 150 pounds because mass is an inherent property of the individual. To further illustrate the difference between mass and weight, let's use the example of a cake. Suppose you have a cake with a mass of 2 pounds. If you were to take this cake to the Moon, its mass would still be 2 pounds because mass does not change. However, the weight of the cake on the Moon would be less than its weight on Earth due to the Moon's weaker gravitational pull. In summary, mass and weight are distinct concepts. Mass is the amount of matter in an object and is measured in pounds or ounces. It remains constant regardless of the object's location. Understanding the difference between mass and weight is fundamental in physics and has practical implications. For example, astronauts experience changes in weight when they travel to different celestial bodies due to variations in gravitational pull, but their mass remains the same. By grasping these concepts, we gain insights into how objects interact with gravity and the physical world around us.